have this black thing, this eye, which means we have all of Thursday and Friday to do and then that's it. I'm pretty good, yeah.
So Frankenstein, I first read the book in sophomore year of high school, I want to say. And it just like really touched me for some reason. It deals a lot with like exploring humanity and what our relationships do to form us. And I felt like all the themes found in it were really like touching, and they made me think a lot about life and the different viewpoints and just like the consequences of your actions. And I immediately knew back in sophomore year when I read it that I wanted to do something with it. I just wasn't sure what. When I first pitched the idea of Ahoy Frankenstein, one of the first things that someone asked me was how I was going to make it my own, especially because there was already a lot of Frankenstein like interpretations out there. And so I really started like researching, I guess, and kind of like trying to put my own spin on it. One of my biggest fears personally is the ocean or just like any deep sea thing. And I merged the two ideas, like Mary Shelley's intent of like putting fear into her reader and my fear of the ocean to come up with Ahoy Frankenstein. I'm very proud of the film that I ended up making. And I'm like really thankful to everyone who helped work on it and like helped guide me through all these problems that I was having. But again, I really hope that one day I can like either revisit or come back or add on to this world that Frankenstein inhabits, and in this case, in my world, which is underwater. Thank you.